Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well in your life. Today it's my 15th day of practicing spoken English. Now I can see I am improving day by day, but still I make mistakes. I stuck between the conversation in English. I feel underconfident, but I will try hard to achieve something great in my life. So now let's go. Today I want to share a story with you. Once there was a girl who was in deeply love with a boy, and one day she couldn't stop herself to meet to her lover. And when she was in her way, there was a man who was reciting namaz at that time, and she wasn't completely lost with love. She didn't see him, she crossed him. When she crossed him, the man who was repenting namaz was distracted. He got distracted and he blamed her. Because of her, he got distracted from the worshipping of God. Then she said, "Sorry, please forgive me." I apologized. She apologized and said, "Please forgive me. I didn't see you because I was completely lost to desire to meet my lover, and that's why I didn't see you. But how did you see me? I am in love with that boy, but you are also in love with a God. So if I couldn't see you, that but why why did you see me, and how did you see me?" This 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 story shows us our focus, our commitment. The man who was reciting namaz, it shows people to that he was completely love in God, but actually he is not. But at the same time, the other girl who was completely lost, he didn't care about the world. He didn't care. Sorry, she didn't care about the world. She didn't care who was in front of you, who was not. She didn't care about what will people say. The only thing matter to her is that to meet with her lover. To this type of focus, this type of dedication, this type of love we also have in our life, for dream, for something great, for whatever we want to achieve something great in our life. So this story reminds me, where am I? And I want to do something great in my life, but uh, yeah, but am I focused to achieve my dreams? Am I do hard work to achieve something great in my life? Am I do work with a proper dedication? If answer is no, then we should think about it. And today I am here to speak English. I'm not here to get views, I'm not here to get subscribers, I'm here to get practicing spoken English. And I know in India, English is mandatory to achieve something great in our life. If I want to achieve highest post, when I am to achieve higher post, I need to speak English. I need to know how to communicate in English. And its format completed. You can see now 6 minutes left to practicing spoken English, and it's my 15th day, so I can see where was I and where am I. My first day I was stuck between single sentence between while speaking single sentences, but here I now I am also doing mistake, but less than less than day first. Okay, okay. Now I want to share an incident with you. Okay, mm, yesterday it was raining outside, and I was completely wet during the rain. And I walked. I didn't get auto. I didn't get any source which which helped me to come to my home. So I decided to come through walk at home. So when I decided, my one friend whose name is Ankit, he came, he see me, and he drive scooty. He was driving scooty. So he said me, Sahaj, come sit here. Okay, then I sit, and we both are. And he sent me at home through his scooty. Then I came back, and I get sick. I get ill, and I get a cold. But I am happy that my friend helped me to reach me to home. So it's 6 minutes completed. I don't know what to speak, but I am on my roof. I was walking while speaking. I opened my recording app in my phone. Then I speak whatever comes in my mind. So yesterday I got a phone call from airlines company, and he said me that you got a chance to apply. You got a chance to do job in a ground staff, cabin crew, and one more thing that I don't remember at that time. So he says, if you get selected in cabin crew, you will get salary of 14,000 per month. If you get selected for the ground staff job, you will get paid of 25 to 30,000 salary. And he said, if you are you applied anywhere to job? And I remember I didn't apply anywhere for the job of regarding airlines ground staff cabin crew. Then I realized it must be a scam. Then I sent a message, I will come tomorrow with my proper documentation. I need to take Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank statement, and last qualification certificate, and passport size photos. Then I messaged him if I need to take some amount of money, and he said yes. If you get selected for the job of ground staff or any job, you didn't pay any amount. But if you get not selected, they asked me to pay 1,000 for my training. And here I understood this was a scam. This is a scam. So I decided not to go there. And today he called me. Are you coming or not? I am sorry sir, I am not coming. Maybe he understand. I understand that they were scamming me. They are scamming me. So it's 8 minutes completed now. 2 minutes left. It's 11:37, and sun is upon on my head, and he's very gigantic and ecstatic. So today I woke up at 10 a.m. because it's my rotational week off. I am doing job in a Honda showroom as a sales executive. And I didn't I forget to tell one thing, that I told him, the person who was scamming me, I told him that I am a sales executive. And you know how is the sales executive? Who knows everything about product, who knows everything, who knows how to handle customer, who knows how to sell them. Those customer who don't want anything, but as a perfect salesman, I can sell him. So it's very less chance to scam a salesperson. Now it's 9 minutes completed, 9 minutes 47 seconds completed. Now 10 seconds left. In last 10 seconds, I would like to say that I am here to practicing my spoken English and I want to achieve something great in my mind. In India, English is very important to achieve something great. And now in last, it's over for today. I will come tomorrow to speak practicing spoken English. Practicing